Hey, friends, have you ever felt like your brain is stuck in slow motion, like it's struggling to shift into high gear when it comes to learning? We live in a world overflowing with information, a true universe of knowledge just waiting to be explored. But sometimes it feels like our brain is holding us back. Well, today we're going to break those mental chains and unleash the full potential of your grey matter. We're about to embark on a journey, a cosmic quest, if you will, to discover 6 secrets backed by the impressive power of neuroscience that will boost your learning abilities. These aren't just random study tips, these are techniques that exploit the very wiring of your brain, optimizing its function to turn you into a true learning machine. Prepare for a real shock, because things are about to get seriously interesting, and while you're at it, subscribe so you don't miss our future explorations of the wonders of the cosmos and the incredible universe inside your head. Imagine our hero, a student, an entrepreneur, anyone really, on a quest for knowledge. He's motivated, passionate, but frustrated. The information he needs seems to slip through his fingers like neutrinos passing through the earth. He spends hours poring over his textbooks, but the words seem to evaporate from his memory like water vapor in the vacuum of space. This is where our 6 secrets come into play, my friends. Think of them as cognitive tools, mental upgrades that allow our hero to navigate the vast landscape of knowledge with new speed and agility. These secrets will help him conquer procrastination, slay the monster of forgetfulness, and emerge victorious from his quest for knowledge. Our first secret weapon is called spaced repetition, and it changes everything. Think about it, our brains are designed to forget. Information fades like distant galaxies, red-shifting into oblivion. But what if we could fight against this cosmic curve of forgetting? That's where spaced repetition comes in. By revisiting information at increasing intervals, we trick our brain into thinking it's important, which strengthens neural connections and anchors those memories like a spacecraft docking with the International Space Station. Now, picture this. You're at the gym, but instead of lifting weights, you're lifting information. That's active recall. Instead of passively rereading your notes, you're actively trying to retrieve the information from your memory. It's like giving your brain a workout, forcing those neurons to fire up and create connections like a supernova forging new elements. And guess what? The more you challenge your brain, the stronger it gets. So ditch passive learning and embrace the power of active recall. Let's talk about interleaving, a technique that's all about variety. Imagine studying different subjects or skills, mixing them up like shuffling a deck of cards. It keeps your brain active, prevents boredom, and strengthens your understanding by forcing you to constantly switch between concepts. Think of it like exploring different galaxies instead of orbiting the same old planet. It's a cosmic buffet of knowledge, and your brain is going to feast. Now, let's talk about the importance of sleep. I'm not talking about a short nap, I'm talking about a full system reboot. Sleep is like a cosmic reset button for your brain. It allows it to process and consolidate all the incredible information you've absorbed. While you sleep, your brain is hard at work, strengthening memories, making connections, and preparing you for the learning adventures of the next day. So make sure you get enough sleep. Your brain will thank you. Our final secret comes from the brilliant mind of physicist Richard Feynman. It's called the Feynman technique, and it's all about simplifying complex ideas and explaining them so that even a child could understand. By teaching what you've learned, you not only solidify your own understanding, but you also identify any gaps in your knowledge. It's like launching a probe into the depths of your own mind, discovering new perspectives, and becoming a master of the subject. There you have it, knowledge explorers. 6 neuroscience-backed secrets to unlock your brain's full potential and learn faster and more effectively. Remember, these techniques aren't just for students, they're for anyone who wants to be a lifelong learner and unleash their inner genius. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's a lot of information to digest, but don't worry, I'm here for you. Subscribe and watch my next video where I'll explore each of these techniques in more detail, giving you practical tips and tricks you can start using today. In the meantime, stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop learning. The universe of knowledge is vast and infinitely fascinating, and with the right tools, you have the power to unlock its secrets.